Pritika, the mic is working?
Mic testing 1, 2, 3. Can you hear us properly?
I think it is working. So hi guys.
Hello everyone.
So she is Pritika.
And he's Samarthya.
We are the founders of Bodsphere. Those of you who have been following us, we are extremely grateful that you have been following our content. We make videos for YouTube, for Instagram, for Facebook, for LinkedIn, for all the social media channels. And we have got an exciting news for you today.
We have a beautiful news and exciting news for you guys.
We wanted to share with you because you have been giving us requests regarding the tutorials that we have been posting, and the tutorials that we are posting, they are 15 minutes long, 20-30 minutes, a little more than that. Some of you have been requesting longer tutorials from both of us.
Yeah, 90 minutes,
75 minutes, 1.5 hours, 2 hours. We have got the news for you, perfect news that can help you stay healthy, fit and happy. We have launched Bodsphere on Patreon. Patreon, it's a platform on which we'll be uploading only exclusive content for all of you.
Although we upload a lot of content on Instagram and YouTube, Patreon is all in all a different platform.
Patreon, it's a completely different platform. Whatever we are not posting on YouTube or Instagram or any other social media channel, we'll be posting on Patreon. Patreon includes all long videos, long duration videos, the kind of content that we create. Even though we love creating content, but it's a pretty time-consuming process.
Yes, of course, in case if you are filming 1 hour video, there is a lot of back-end work. You have to listen to the audio, edit the video. It takes 3 to 4 hours just to work on 1 hour video.
And then before that also, before we actually start filming, we have to make the flows and the sequences.
Yes, pre-video work.
That is like the back-end work that we have to do. We have to run it through the entire sequence in our body also. We have to implement it on ourselves before we actually upload it on any social media channel. Keeping that thing in mind, it normally takes 5 to 6 hours to make 1 hour of content. Now we are going to have it on Patreon. On Patreon, there are a couple of options that are available. The lowest cost of Patreon, it is equivalent to giving us 1 glass of fresh juice. We love fresh juices, and that is the kind of option we are having on Patreon.
A lot of you have requested for a lot of flexibility programs, a lot of flows, a lot of things related to body ailments, followed by guided meditation. So we will be uploading very exclusive content on Patreon regarding meditation, flexibility, strength training, any kind of body ailment.
There will be a lot of content that will be shared on our Patreon channel. Whosoever is watching this particular video till this particular point, we are extremely thankful to you. You can definitely share it with your family and friends. Whosoever wants to stay healthy, happy and fit. That is the sole objective of Bodsphere.
We have 2 group batches that we provide, morning 10 a.m. and evening 7 p.m.
As per the Indian Standard Time.
If this 2 timings doesn't suit you, you guys can move on to our Patreon channel.
On Patreon, it will only include exclusive content, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, minimum 45 minutes, but it can go on to 1 hour, 2 hours. If you prefer live sessions, like Pritika mentioned, we have got 2 group batches, one in the morning, one in the evening.
Those are live sessions.
Those are live sessions with us. We have too much content on Instagram. Just to let you know, there are more than 150 yoga tutorials on Instagram, which includes more than 500 yoga poses, yoga variations, yoga flows. There's a lot of content
everything for you.
Everything just for you, and because we want you to stay healthy, just stay happy, keep smiling. If you have any questions, you can definitely drop us your queries in the comment section below.
We are always here.
We are always
for
available.
You guys.
For all of you, we are always available. Just stay happy, everyone.
See you soon on Patreon.
See you all. See you. Bye.